Here's a 2017 Nissan Murano. The design looks as if it was shaped by the wind, and that philosophy continues inside, where driving is a breeze and so much fun you'll howl. It comes with great features you love. V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, Apple CarPlay, voice activation, aluminum wheels, memory exterior door mirror settings, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Of the Murano, the Car Connection writes, "The styling and interior make a statement and are meant to reward owners with premium features at a reasonable price." Nissan, built for the human race. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.